In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an ad on Gumtree. To start, first log into your Gumtree account. Once you're on your homepage, look toward the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on the menu icon. This will open up a drop-down menu. From here, click on the very first option labeled Manage My Ads. After clicking on this, you'll be taken to a page where you can see all of your ads that you have posted listed right in front of you. Now, if you want to delete any of these ads, simply look at the upper right-hand side of the ad you wish to remove. You will see 3 dots there. Click on these 3 dots and a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on the very last option which is labeled Delete Ad. Once you click on it, Gumtree will prompt you with 2 choices, whether your ad was successful through Gumtree or not. Select the option that best applies to your situation. After selecting your reason, click on Delete. Gumtree will then process your request, and you will see that your ad has been successfully deleted. From this point on, no other user on Gumtree will be able to see this ad anymore.